You can access datasets either for input or to decide on where you can select your catalog, or the output dataset that's used to manage your documentation through a library manager. Now the library manager, for example, if you were to click on this, this is a lib name, which is a library pointing to a location on the server or on your machine. Now when you click on this button, you'll see the library manager. This manages all the lib names or the libraries which locates the location on the server that contains your SAS dataset. Now you can manage your existing library by selecting on any of the library and delete them. In that case, it removes it from your list. So for example, if I delete this one, it's no longer on my list. You can also create a new library, such as you can type in here new library and then give it a location such as temp, and then click on add. This is a new library which contains dataset. Now whatever library that you select, for example, if I were to select on this library here and you click on the back button, that would be the current library that will be used for selecting datasets. Now if you were to also have an option of typing a different type of library path, such as a lib name, so lib URL as an example. Now this could normally be a UNC path or a path on your server, or it can be an HTTP URL type address as well. Now in this case, if I were to, let's say, localhost data and then add, it would create a new library with the name of lib URL, and it would contain a URL instead of a physical path. So libraries could be either a UNC path, such as / server name path, or it can be a physical path on your local machine or a URL. Now a library can be created in different ways. You can either select the library for your input dataset with this button here through this dialog box, or you can get to the library manager for a particular catalog by clicking on this button here and then click on the library button. So the library manager can be accessed several different places, including the output library where this information is kept. In that case, you can also select the library as well. So there's multiple places. If it pertains to SAS datasets, then you can manage the location of those datasets via the library manager.